Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? This is Jasmine with new Urdu English sentences. These sentences are about request and pardon. In this video I will teach you how to pronounce the sentences in Urdu and English, and I think that this will enhance your knowledge and vocabulary, and this will be very helpful for you in speaking. You can speak with your friends, family members and kids. These sentences are very helpful for you, and I will say more, this will increase your vocabulary. And thank you. But before starting this lesson, I will say you please subscribe, like, share and my channel, and especially you give your feedbacks about my lessons. These are my encouragement, you can say. Thank you. Now let's restart. मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. माफ़ कीजिए, मैं वक्त पर ना आ सका. I'm sorry, I got late. I'm sorry, I got late. मैं आपसे माज़रत हुआ हूँ. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. कता कलामी के लिए माफ़ फरमाइए. I'm sorry for interrupting you. I'm sorry for interrupting you. माफ़ कीजिए, मैं फ़ोन ना कर सका. I'm sorry, I couldn't call you. I'm sorry, I could not call you. ये आपका कसूर नहीं था. You were not at fault. You were not at fault. ये तो महज गलती से हो गया. It was a slip of mind. It was a slip of mind.